QA 32, enter, and if I execute it, so there are few lots, and this lot is 05 lot, and which is inspected. If we see the detail of this lot, in the inspection specification, the plan which is assigned here has the MICs. One is qualitative MIC, another is a quantitative MIC. If we check the detail of the quantitative MIC, the quantitative data which is maintained is upper and lower limit, and the target value is maintained. If I want to see the detail of this MIC, we can go to the details. We select the quantitative MIC. In the lower half, again, you don't find any add the defect class. In the control indicator, even if we have defect recording here, then we can attach the defect codes here. Okay, but you cannot add the defect class. Whereas when if I open it and in the catalogs, you can check the MIC detail that it's a qualitative MIC complete copy model. The catalogs which is assigned is test-QM, and these are the codes which are given for it. Based on this, we have given the valuation that this code is rejected and these are acceptable codes. So if I open the same selected set in another window, QS 51, enter, can enter the catalog type as characteristics attribute and the plant. Press enter key. Catalogs which are assigned is test QM. Okay. So if I check test QM, under this selected sets, these are the codes which are maintained, and we just now saw that red was rejected. And here we have specified that if I get a red color, then the valuation will be rejected and the defect class will be major defect. Or if you want, say, if I select for blue, I'm selecting, say, critical defect. Okay. And let me save it. Continue. Now let's go to this lot again. If we go to the results has been entered for this. See, the valuation is coming based on the result entered. For first one, it is accepted. For the second one, the valuation has been rejected. Defect class as major defect. If the MIC is rejected, we haven't maintained the defect class for the quantitative MIC. What will be the defect class? Okay, in the master data creation part, of course, for the qualitative MIC, in the catalogs, we specify what will be my defect class based on the valuations. Let me unlock it, and if I recheck this, we have used major for red. Okay, so if I select red in this case, press enter key, now it is showing me the valuation as rejected and the defect class as major defect. So let's see from where this defect class is picked. If I press F1 key here, define defect class option. If I click on this, it is taking you to the configuration, define defect class. So these are the defect class which are maintained for critical defect. What will be the details, like whether you want any other further action to be performed or not. For quantitative MIC, from where it is picking up this defect class. If we go to QCC0, enter, maintain setting at the plant level. I am working on the plant 1000, so double click on that. Here you can see in the inspection lot creation, characteristics weightage is given and the defect class is given, and you can see it is entered as major defect A for the weightage of major characteristics A. So if I change it to say critical defect, okay, and even the weightage, if you want, you can specify say critical. So if my specification for the MICs are going out of the specification, then it should be considered as a critical defect, and that defect class should be picked. Let's see if I save it, continue, and again we will try to do the result recording for the same. Okay, so let me go back. We have to open it again. So if I select this and go to the results, and I'm selecting this, click on unlock, and here previously it was major defect. Okay, so this time I'm entering C31, enter, and just press enter key. So now you can see it is picking up as a critical defect, because from the configuration it is picking up the defect class which is maintained. For quantitative MIC, it is picking the defect class from the configuration, whereas for the qualitative MIC, it is picking up the defect class from the codes selected sets code data. So let me change it back to the same, which was previously there, which is major defect, and then save it.